Thinking about building a pool in Fort Myers? One of the first questions homeowners ask is simple: how much will it cost? The answer depends on several moving parts. General pool costs can range from more modest projects to high-end custom backyard builds based on size, shape, materials, and the overall design you choose. A larger pool usually means higher costs, but that is only the beginning. Decking choices, water features, lighting, spas, screen enclosures, and finish materials can all shift the budget. Equipment matters too. Pumps, filters, heaters, and automation systems each add convenience, efficiency, and long-term value, while also affecting the total investment. In Fort Myers, local conditions also play a role. Soil conditions can affect excavation and engineering requirements. Permitting timelines and municipal approvals can influence the process. And during busy seasons, stronger demand may impact scheduling, labor availability, and how quickly your project moves from design to construction. The best way to understand your pool cost is to get a custom estimate based on your yard, your goals, and the features you want most. If you are ready to explore your options, call 239-444-7886 or visit fortmyerspoolbuilder.net. Your backyard oasis is one smart decision away.